Hi, it's me again. I have another unboxing. I didn't realize that I was gonna get another package today, so that's why I'm like currently in the same clothes that I did the other unboxing in, so ignore that. But welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. This is where we chat about all things EDC, gun stuff, knives, my concealed carry journey, whatever comes up, whatever I feel like it. This is where I chat about it. I'm really freaking excited for this package, and I gotta go get it, so well, please. If you know me at all, you know that I am a humongous fan of Savior. And Savior may or may not have sent me something, so. All right, let's get into it. We're gonna do this baby today. This is the standard Microtech. I'll drop the link below on the exact name of this guy. Focus. Please ignore my dogs, but look at that. Best box cutter ever. All right. Let's do this one first because it's large and in charge. Ignore me. I'm so cringy. I really don't want to. I'm so scared that I'm gonna cut a hole in it. Wait, hold on. There we go. We're gonna start from the sides. They tape this up really good. And I don't want to cut a hole in it. There we go. Like butter. Oh my god. Okay, so the coolest thing also about Savior is that all of their packaging is targets on the inside, which is, you know, reduce, reuse, recycle, whatever. Pretty freaking cool too. This is huge. This is way bigger in person. That's what she said. It can't be a video without a that's what she said. Am I wrong? Tell me I'm wrong. This is the 33-inch Pro Touring single rifle case. It's the one that looks like a tennis bag. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at it. This is huge. For reference, I'm 5'7", and this is massive. First things first. It's supposed to be like, what's the word? Incognito, I guess? Like, do I look like a tennis player? No, I don't, but nobody knows that. I got the one that has the Velcro in the front, like this, because I love my patches. So, my plans with this are actually to, excuse you, rude, to use it as a pistol case. Can you not? What is scaring you? Oh, all right. Nothing is scaring her. My dog is just being a hoarder and holding on to both bones. So we're gonna just take this from them right now. But my goal with this, hopefully, fingers crossed it works, is I really want to use it as a pistol case with like Velcro holsters all along. Oh, I think it'll work perfectly. This whole thing is Velcro. Like the loop part of the hook and loop. So we have, this is so big. Okay, so this is all Velcro. I think it's also Molly compatible, so they all have like, can you see that? Can you see it? And then this is also Velcro, not Molly. And then we've got two pouches, zipper pouches right there. Amazing. Let's see what the other side looks like. Guys, I'm so excited for this. Oh, come on. Ooh. Are these all the little... What? Look. hold on. Can you see that? This focusing thing is going to be the death of me. So we have 1, 2. Okay, these all look like mag pouches, maybe? I'm not sure. I'll have to look into what these actually are, but we have like two of these single large ones. I gotta like cover my face. 2 single large ones, Velcro. 2 little mesh guys, Velcro. 2 humongous ones. I don't know what to put in these, but I'm assuming mags. That makes the most logical sense to me. And then this one, oh, they have other things inside. This one looks like a pistol holster. I don't know. I could be totally wrong. Don't listen to me. And then these thingies, I don't know what they are, but that all comes in it. And then we have a whole nother Molly side here. And then this is one big, oh, I lied. Oh, okay, so it's a big one, but the pockets are zippered so that like you can compartmentalize things if you want to, or you could just like unvelcro the whole thing and use it as one big pouch. I am obsessed. I can't wait to see how this works. So in my head, like pistol. It's not what it's meant for. It's a single rifle case. Technically, I feel like though you could probably put 2 in here if you had foldy boys. But I'm really excited. I will probably post on Instagram when this is done and show you guys what it looks like if it works out the way that I want it to, but I don't see why it wouldn't. It's gonna be perfect. I have a feeling. I have a good feeling about it. Also, there's a handle right here, and the Velcro is on both sides, so you can morale patch it up. I also have a second package from them. I got two fun boxes today. All right, where's my, we got it. All right, and I have a link in the description below for these Microtech knives. I am an affiliate for Warrior Knives, which sells Microtech. So I will leave that link down below so you can get your hands on one of these pretty boys and save some money while you're at it. All right, so this is a brand new pistol case that they are just coming out with. So it's called Specialist Mini Range Bag. I love me some range bags, guys. And look at all the targets inside. Save your boxes from Savior, people. Save them. Oh, it's an OD green. You know I love it already because it's OD green. Like if I could live my life with everything OD green and black, I'd be so happy. You're cute. Oh, okay, so it says mini, but I feel like this is a great size. Can you see that? Look how, I love this. Like for like single double pistol days where you don't want to carry like a whole massive range bag. Obsessed. Okay, so we have double morale patch Velcro there. This super freaking padded. Do you see that? Super padded. Then we have a front. Also, I don't know if this means anything to anyone, but this is how the straps connect. They're like diagonally. I appreciate that because when you carry it crossbody, it sits way better than if they were in the front or the back. I don't know if anyone appreciates that the way that I appreciate that, but all right, so what's in the front? What's in the front? All right, so front pocket, we have pouches. So we could definitely do some mags in here, potentially rifle mags in that one, but I don't think that you'd be carrying a rifle with this bag. I mean, you might, you do you. All right, so there is a total of 3 zipper pouches. So that front one, and then hello pouches. I love this. It lays flat. Oh my God, please tell me these are Are these ammo pouches? They sure as hell can be. Okay. Imagine with me. Here we go. Imagine this. You see? Okay. So we lay this flat on our range bench. We've got ammo here, magazines here. We Gucci. Oh, I love that. Look how flat it lays. I love that. I feel like you could fit a box of 50 in there. It might be a little tight, but I feel like you could fit it. This is like a quick range day. Are they? It's customizable. So we could put 2 ammos, we could put no ammo, we could do 1 ammo and lay our pistol right there on our little bench. This is cool as shit. Freaking love it. Okay, and then we have zipper here. Definitely could put a pistol in there. Got a zipper here. Same. So it's like basically identical on either side. Love the symmetry, or asymmetry, I guess. And then into our last pocket, it's just a big pouch. So we could fit our other little Savior pistol cases inside of here, or we could fold up some targets, or snacks, whatever you want. Also, I could like swap out some of these for those boys. Oh, I love this. This is fabulous. And we have a locking option too, which is great. Hold on, let me show you. So do all 3 of them? Yeah, all 3 of them. All 3 of the zippers can line up so that you have locking options here too. That is so cool. Okay, so this says Cam Specialist Mini Range Bag, and we have padded double pistol case, detachable mag holsters, detachable dump pouches, spacious exterior pockets, lockable zipper compartments. I covered everything. Your firearm length is less than or equal to 11 inches. So it'll fit up to less than or equal to 11 inches. I love it. Thank you so freaking much, Savior. I am one happy girl. All right. See you guys on the next one. Stay safe out there. Oh, like, follow, comment, share, subscribe. If you haven't already, subscribe. Anyway, see you on the next one. Stay safe out there. Bye, guys.